Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we'll see how you can log into WhatsApp web. So let's get started. Open Chrome browser or any browser you use. On the search bar, type WhatsApp web. Click on the first option. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Click on the three dot option present at the top, settings, QR code. Now you have to scan the code through your phone. Continue. Click on link a device. Use mobile data. Or if you are using Wi-Fi, then you can click on cancel. Once again, you have to scan the QR code. Now you are logged into WhatsApp web. You can see that here. As you can see, I am successfully logged into WhatsApp web. So this was the video. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much.